We're gonna need 1 cup of maple syrup or the sweetener of your choice. And what I've done is that I've sprayed the bottom of this measuring cup with non-stick cooking spray so that when I pour it in our baking dish, it's not gonna stick. And then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of butter, and I'm using plant-based butter. And if you wanna follow along, I've got the recipe in the description and you can follow along with me. To make our slurry, we have 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of arrowroot. And if you don't have any, you can just use cornstarch. I'm just gonna give this a quick mix. And what the slurry does is that it's going to help thicken the filling and give the gooey texture to our pecan pie dump cake. We are going to add our slurry into our maple syrup butter combo. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna wing it. And then we're gonna give this a quick stir. It's gonna turn into that delicious gooey caramel-like texture once it bakes. We're gonna pour our filling directly into a 9x13 baking dish. And I've lightly sprayed the baking dish with non-stick spray. Now we're gonna add 1.5 to 2 cups of pecans, and you wanna make sure that it's spread evenly. And if you're looking for a healthy pecan pie recipe that doesn't have any corn syrup or flour, I will leave my healthy pecan pie recipe in the description box below. So I noticed that a lot of dump cake recipes call for cake box mixes. And in this recipe, we're gonna dump that because I don't know if you know, but cake box mixes are actually very unhealthy. They contain way too much sugar. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your own cake batter. We're gonna move on to our cake layer. So we need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of light brown sugar, and brown sugar helps to give the cake a richer, deeper flavor and is a lot more healthier than regular white sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and just a dash of salt, which helps to bring out the sweetness of our cake. And that's it. You just need flour, sugar, baking powder and or baking soda, and a dash of salt. And that is how you replace your cake box mix. We're just gonna add our wet ingredients. So we're gonna add 1 cup of almond milk, but you can use the plant-based milk of your choice. Just be sure to take it at least half an hour to an hour before you start baking, so that it's gonna give you a really nice smooth batter. 1/4 cup of light tasting vegetable oil. And we're just gonna top it off with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, I'll just wing it there. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're just going to mix all of the ingredients together. Just be sure not to overmix it. We're just gonna pour our batter on top of our pecan pie filling. And what you're gonna do is you're not going to stir it. You're just gonna let it stay. You're just gonna leave it like that. So this is so good. The pecans have caramelized and they've been roasted because they were baking in the oven. And then if you can see this, there's like this really lovely gooey texture that we typically find in pecan pies, and it's just, oh my gosh, it's so good. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. And if you're looking for another healthy fall dessert, then be sure to watch my healthy pumpkin bread video. And happy Thanksgiving.